GO9TRO Capital Lending is the industry's premier boutique commercial and business loan brokerage firm. We specialize in long-term and short-term financing in the form of bridge, new construction, permanent, and transactional financing. GO9TRO Capital Lending is experienced in equity placement and provides services for real estate owners and developers, investors and entrepreneurs. GO9TRO Capital Lending leaders have over 40 years of experience and offer numerous financing options to our clients through our strong relationships with the top lending institutions. We offer top-notch customer service with innovative, competitive, and reliable financing outside the 9 dots of the restricted banks we specialize, helping you find the best small and large real estate investors, developers, and hedge fund loans for your commercial project. Funding your business is all about capital. Visit www.go9trocapital.loans.